Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your AO Smith water heater is struggling to stay lit or keeps shutting off unexpectedly, the flame sensor could be the hidden cause. This small component is responsible for detecting whether a flame is present, and when it gets coated with carbon or buildup, it can no longer read the flame correctly. As a result, the system shuts down for safety, even though everything else may seem fine. Many people assume it's a gas or ignition problem, but in reality, cleaning the flame sensor often restores normal operation. Since this involves working around a gas appliance, it's important to follow a careful and safe approach. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clean the flame sensor properly without damaging the unit. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the water heater and shut off the gas supply. Step 2. Remove the access panel to reach the burner assembly. Step 3. Locate the flame sensor rod near the burner area carefully. Step 4. Gently clean the sensor using fine sandpaper or a soft cloth. Step 5. Reinstall the sensor and secure all components back in place. Step 6. Turn the gas and power back on and check if the heater runs normally.